Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk glow plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Open the oil filler cap to remove the engine cover. You can now see the location of the 4 glow plugs. Close the oil fill plug. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. To do this, we recommend watching the video How to Replace the Car Battery Astra J 1.7 CDTI. Disconnect the suppressor from the glow plug. We advise you to clean around the plug with compressed air. It is important to know that the glow plugs are extremely fragile, and as a result, they often break during disassembly, particularly when they have never been changed before. If they break, it will be rather problematic, since the end remains fixed in the cylinder head. If you decide to change them, we have several tips to maximize your chances of success. Several days before carrying out the operation, apply penetrating oil to the bottom of the glow plugs. Remove the plugs when the engine is warm, and cover in cold spray to remove the plug and potentially unstick it. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 12mm socket, slowly unscrew the plug. Complete the removal using pliers, since the access point is very narrow.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new glow plugs. Put the new plug in place and check the box for the recommended tightening. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Replace the noise suppressor. Put the engine cover back on. Reconnect the battery. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.